Talking to your children about surrogacy can be a little tough if you're unsure how to explain it in simple terms. Fortunately, kids are pretty receptive to understanding surrogacy once they've learned more about it. Tip number 1, introduce the concept to them gradually. Sometimes it's hard for children to understand the concept of time, so it's very important that you go through the vetting process and make sure this is really something you want to do before you introduce surrogacy to them. It's better to keep the communication with them pretty simple and age appropriate when you're discussing with them surrogacy in your journey. For younger children, the best way to describe what you're doing is babysitting until the child is ready to be born. Sometimes you can talk about other mommies out there who have broken tummies. Make sure to always check in with your children to see if they have any questions. Sometimes things can come up or they can see something on TV or read an article, so it's really best to always check in with them periodically to see how they're doing and encourage them to open up to you whenever is possible. Surrogacy and pregnancy can be a little frightening and confusing, especially for young children. These children may grow to really love the baby that's growing in your tummy, and so it's important to help them understand that you love them too, and that this baby will be going to a wonderful new home with excited new parents. If you're excited about this surrogacy journey, your kids will be too. Involving your children in a surrogacy journey is incredibly important. This helps ease them into the transition as the baby goes to his or her new home. Show them pictures or even some videos, and hopefully your intended parents will be open to meeting them at some point. This will really help ease the transition and know where the baby is going. It's important that you emphasize that this is not their sibling, but your children may become attached to the baby. Let them draw pictures or write letters or even buy the baby a gift. Hopefully, if age appropriate, they're able to see the baby at the hospital, know that the baby is real and safe and loved by the intended parents. Explaining your surrogate pregnancy to your children is going to be an ongoing process. If you have any questions in talking to your children about surrogacy, please don't hesitate to call your surrogate specialist.